Sometimes people need and required to speak in front of audience, not only in formal situations like business meetings, seminar, college, but also in the casual situation like chat with friend, phone call, or dinner or lunch. So the conversation may be without any preparation. And what the situation is, people usually call impromptu speaking or table topic. The situation that push you to give an opinion or speech without any preparation. Let's see. The writer, American novelist, and humorist Mark Twain was famous about 100 years ago by his public speaking skill. Becoming outstanding feature speaker with some humor skill, his speech often becomes stand-up comedy. Although his ability was undeniable, he realized that it's difficult to speak off the cuff without some preparation. To prepare a good impromptu speech, he needed for about 3 weeks, so he think to make a practice to increase his ability of table topic. To think on one feet. For this sample above, probably you confused about what think on one feet is. Think on one feet is important skill for every speaker. The situation in the middle process of conversation or talking to bring in the line of the changing topic or changing circumstance of new situation are usually known as improvisation and is close with impromptu speaking context. Then why we must know this speaking? Why this is important? Learn impromptu speaking important for our daily life. Every day we need to give speech when we meet with other people. How the conversation gonna be, what the context will be take, it depends on how does we bring the topic with the clever way. Impromptu speaking shows how good you thinking for yourself with a confident feeling. It learns you think before speak while responding naturally and quickly. Comparing the one who good in speak but limit content and the one who good enough in speak with more content. It benefit for your future. For example, interview job. When you are on the situation, the interviewer from the company will asking many featuring questions. This question must be answering correctly or you are not in hire. Sometimes the answer that you've described, sometimes the answer that you give describe who you are, how you finally on this knowledge, and maybe how people looking on you. So let me give you 5 steps to have good skill impromptu speaking. 1. Listen. Good speaker know how to listen because perfect version of your response. If you listening the other people with respect and listen you back, you will be able to prepare your response or dialogue. 2. Pause. It means give your thoughts time to refresh new idea before speaking. For example, you give your smile or note. Usually people say or or 4. Confirm. Probably you need to repeat the question that you've just heard. The benefit are you can answer the concept that developed the idea. It also helps you verify the topic. 4. Tell. This is the important part. Give your opinions, idea or thought to discuss. You must be focused to keep your talk valuable. 4. And the last step that you should close your talk before the content out of the topic. So it's enough for my explanation. Are you ready guys for the impromptu speaking?